Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of Logitech keyboard not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, make sure that the battery is replaced and it's working with other computers. In that case, we can isolate whether the issue is with the external keyboard or with your system. Now, what makes it different in this case is that a Logitech keyboard cannot be the internal keyboard of your system. It has to be an external keyboard. Logitech is a company that manufactures keyboards and other peripheral devices, but not computers itself. Now, once this is sorted, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Accessibility tab, scroll down to Keyboard, and turn all of these three switches off. If this doesn't help, then search for Device Manager, open Device Manager, and then expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one, update the drivers. Right click on the second one, update the drivers. Right click on the third one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.